Pork rinds, excellent low carb snack. As you can see, I'm stocked up. The Meyer brand, hot and spicy. Beware, these are hot and spicy. Next to that, we have one of my Buddhas, and this one's a candle holder. And then next to that, this is my weather station. Tells me what the temp is and the time. I have a folding chair here, my ukulele, a vintage travel bag that's actually part of an entire luggage set that I have that was my grandparents'. I have a 5-foot folding table there with the bungee cord kind of helping hold that in there. It's my rear window cover. I have 2 gel pillows. This little pillow looking thing is actually an electric blanket for your vehicle. Only run those no longer than an hour at a time, it says. This is my blackout curtain. I bought one, I don't know, 70 something inch, 80 inch curtain, and I cut it. And I used the top of it and the bottom of it to create both curtains for my side windows. And I'm just using tension rods. And they actually stay there. I usually at night don't light up the inside of this so bright. As you can see, I have these star lights that are kind of just strung around the van with the existing places on the van. Here we have the entrance. I still have some work to do on the wood part. I'm going to likely paint it or waterproof it at least. Underneath here, I have umbrella storage, and this is a fire poker, a custom fire poker that my father made me. They fit great right under here. I'm contemplating adding a drawer that slides out for quick access to important things like maybe my first aid kit. I have some food storage on this side that I can access. In the Myers bag are some canned goods. This is my system for right now. Here's a collapsible stool. Back there, my PB Fit, which has 87% less fat and about 1/3 of the calories as normal peanut butter. This stuff is great in smoothies. I also have some tuna and some chicken. Tripod, tons of storage underneath here. That red bag is a 10-foot by 10-foot canopy. I have some dirty laundry. I have another folding camp table. There's jumper cables back there. I have a socket set. Today I happen to have this tote with me. It is a 19-gallon tote, and it just has tools because I have some work I need to do on my cabinet, some finishing touches. So on the back here, on the back of the cabinet, you'll see I've added this blue textured contact paper. So I have that coupled with the blue sheet set, and it's kind of like a greenish blue on this Mexican blanket. They say when you can go with the same type of color scheme that is similar, even my bag kind of blends in and the blue of the dresser. They say this helps make the space feel larger. So I'm also contemplating doing some type of something to cover up some of this tan, but for right now, the tan isn't so bad. Here I have a blackout thermal curtain, and it's just held on there by snaps. I can easily yank this down. I still have to add a snap over here, but I can easily yank this down and be curtainless. Additionally, I can open up these side windows curtains if I want. In the back, you can see I have my Jackery 240, and I have a very bright Black & Decker flashlight, and then this USB light, I run that off of a 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack. We come around to the back. Here you can see I have my cooler. That's what I'm rocking right now. I put ice in this on Sunday, a big bag ice. Put ice in this on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. There's still tons of ice. We have had some cool temperatures. Here's a look from this side at my little box shelf. This is from when the first build, version 1.0, inside of Carol the Caravan. I had a hammock stretching from here to another anchor point in the front. And I just left this because maybe on a nice day, I can hang the hammock from here to a tree or something. So I left that. My water pump, if I need to get some water, and that's piped down into here. I'm still working on this, but the water's piped down. And I had a magnet come off. I've been fighting with these magnets, so I have to do some work here. But here's my water storage and some other storage. I'm still working on adding storage so that I won't have to have some of this down in there. So if you missed some of the earlier builds, the outside two pieces of this cabinet are actually from a box that I built for a movie called Blackbird. It's a short film directed and written by Mike Thompson over at Missing Reels. Missing Reels is the name of his film studio, so check that out. Here you can see some of the vinyl stickers are starting to come off, so that's going to reveal these nice white letters. I'm excited. I'll do a video where I just slowly peel these off. If you open up, I have the inside of the cabinet, cutting board. I have a basket for storage for utensils, spatula, knives. Still a work in progress. I have a reusable silicone straw. These are griddle scrapers I wanted to test out from Lodge, for my griddle from Lodge. This is also professional grill scraper. It's what we used to use in the Roadhouse, in addition to a bigger one we had. Some clamshell tongs. These are super handy. These are just like an extension of your arm. Super handy when cooking on a grill. So this is, I'm still thinking about, I believe I got this basket, let's see, Whitmore. I got this from Target. Of course, it's made in China. The great thing about the wire basket is I can spray paint it. I haven't painted it yet. This is the color it came. In the back, you'll see I have some skewers stored. And I have a mixing bowl, and I have some smoke flavored almonds. You know, I'm still figuring it out. That's part of the fun of it, is figuring it out. Plus, I'm kind of a problem solver. All right, so I think I have to do that and that. Boom, boom. And then my grill goes here. I have it out right now because I was gonna test it the other night when it was raining, but I didn't. So here's a look from this side. So yeah, I'm digging it. On the van, I've also added the chrome door handle covers on all 4 door handles. I've also added the adjustable blind spot mirror, as well as the AVS rain guards on all 4 doors. So this is my van. So I won't always have this storage tote here. However, I think it would be nice to have some sort of half size, maybe a cabinet with a fold down work surface for a laptop. So I'm still thinking of things, but I'm also starting to plan trips. So if you're not familiar, I do lives on Wednesday nights and Sunday nights, part of our Nomadic night lineup on each of those days. So come check us out, check me out. Yep.